Hello everyone, I am Vikas Shivaji Bhosle from TYB Tech branch CSE. My roll number is 3012 and my topic name is INSAT 4B satellite. In this video we will take briefly look on INSAT 4B satellite. Before we explaining INSAT 4B satellite, I would like to explain what is a satellite. So, what is meant by satellite? A satellite is a moon, planet or machine that orbits a planet or star. For example, Earth is a satellite because it orbits the sun. Earth and the moon are examples of natural satellites. There are two types of satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites. Next slide. INSAT 4B satellite. INSAT is nothing but Indian satellite. INSAT 4B satellite is an Indian communication satellite. This is a artificial satellite. It is a part of the Indian National Satellite System. This satellite launched in 2007. It is operated in geostationary orbit at a longitude of 93.48 degree east. This satellite built by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. INSAT 4B is based upon the I3K satellite bus. It had a mass at a launch of 3028 kilograms with a dry mass of 1335 kilograms and was expected to operate for 12 years. Arianespace was contracted to launch INSAT 4B using an Ariane 5 ECA carrier rocket. The launch occurred on 11 March 2007 from ELA-3 at Kourou. The Skynet 5A military communication satellite for the British Ministry of Defence was launched aboard the same rocket. INSAT 4B was successfully inserted into geosynchronous transfer orbit, from which it raised itself into geostationary orbit using a liquid-fueled apogee motor. As 11th November 2013, it is in an orbit with a perigee of 35,776 km. Here, perigee means nearest point on orbit of the satellite, and apogee of 35,809 kilometers. Here, apogee means farthest point on a orbit of the satellite. Inclination of 0.07 degree and orbital period of 23.93 hours. Next slide. So, what is the purpose of INSAT 4B satellite? INSAT 4B spacecraft is the second in the INSAT 4 series of spacecrafts and is configured with exclusive communication payloads to provide service in Ku and C frequency bands. So Ku bands is mainly used for satellite communications. The main purpose of this mission is communication. Next slide. Key points. These are some important points about this satellite. The mission type, communication. This satellite is mainly used for communication purpose. Rocket, Ariane 5 ECA. The rocket which is used for launch the satellite is Ariane 5 ECA. Launch date 12 March 2007. Orbital height 35,786 km. Cost. The total cost is 215 crores Indian rupees for this satellite. Manufacturer, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Launch site, Jayana Space Center. This is the picture of INSAT 4B satellite. This satellite duration is 12 years. So this is a brief information about INSAT 4B satellite. Thank you.